recently started taking a new supplement, right?
I did. I did.
And that you can name by name.
So I've always been a big fan of greens. The company that I'm partnered with, they had one that tasted really well, which was really hard to find. And then I got to try your supplement. You were so wonderful to share it with me because I asked you, I saw your podcast. I was like, what are you drinking? What is that? You gave me some and I love it.
It's in the container right now. Brain Belly Body Elixir Mixer. If you want to learn more about it, just go to getlivingstrength.com. Getlivingstrength.com, just like it sounds. So that surprised me that you even saw it because I don't like push it a lot. But you saw a couple of the videos.
Yeah.
I gave you a sample. You still have some sample left. You sent me that feedback text. But share with any viewer, like, what do you like about it? What?
Immediately, I had increased energy. Sometimes between meals, it's very, very difficult. So
in terms of appetite.
Yeah. Sometimes the same meal plan. Now, this meal plan I'm on right now, I've been on for probably 4, 5, 6 months. And it's so crazy to me how my workouts and stuff change. Sometimes it's hard for me to eat it all. And sometimes I am
so hungry.
I'm never satisfied.
Right.
I could eat double every single thing that I'm eating. And it's really hard to stay on plan. I know that that's when things are working and moving and things are changing. And I don't want to mess with that. So I was so pleased how this made it so much easier to get from one meal to the next.
Took care of your appetite.
Yeah. For that midday, when I would want to sit down, I would get tired. And that's when I would want to sit. And the moment I sat, I wanted to put something in my face. And the taste is greens, but it's like green apple, but it's delightful enough. You're not sitting there chugging it. I just sip on it and enjoy it. Yeah.
So it gives you energy. Takes away the appetite.
Yeah.
The hunger pains are gone.
And it cleaned me out.
Cleans you out.
Now, I already eat really clean. Let me tell you, when I started having that,
helping more.
When I had the apple cider vinegar drink, when I started drinking that, I was like, holy moly. I mean, I could not make it from my house to the gym without having to pull over. I was like, surely I am so clean now. There's nothing else I could possibly. Nope. I started drinking this and I was like, there's more stuff that it's. And then, 3, 4 days that went away and I was like, I feel great. I love it. Again, in the afternoon, I started drinking coffee again because I just love it. We talked about espresso. Yes. I love. It's like a thing to sit and do it. Yep. I like tea too. Bengal spice tea. Have you ever tried that?
Not yet.
Oh my gosh.
Good stuff.
It's at Publix. It is amazing.
Is that from Celestial Seasonings?
Yes.
Okay.
It's the only one that I like.
All right.
You don't need any tea. You don't need. You don't need any honey. No sweetener. 2 packets.
All right.
And it tastes so good. So that's like my thing. But the coffee I know is just really not good for my gut. I see more inflammation when I drink the coffee. I like to put, dairy in it, even if it's grass-fed, half and half. Right. I see the difference. Yeah. And so now I'm drinking this. I'll have my coffee once or twice a week, and then I drink this.
All right. I appreciate the feedback. I did not expect us to be talking about this like this. This purely, I call this God's work. So
it is.
Thank you for sharing the feedback.
Thank you for giving me some of your product.
Absolutely.
Because I probably would have never tried it. I was a snob to what I was on.
Yeah, no, I get it. That's why I'm open to giving, because I know this took 5 years to actually formulate and create.
I love it.
5 years. So when you look at it.
And there's a lot of green products out there.
Yeah, but this is more than just greens. As I gave you in the summary, this is greens are only the foundation.
Yeah.
You could stop taking your multivitamin that you take at night because this has a fully fermented multivitamin, food-based vitamin mineral spectrum in here.
Fantastic.
Right? That's another part of the formula.
So you're saving me money.
Saving you money. You could probably cut out a few other things too, which we'll talk about.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thank you for sharing the feedbacks. Anybody else want to go learn about it? GetLivingStrength.com.
It's really good.
The whole website is there for you to read all about it, the whole ingredient list, everything.
My husband hates fruits and vegetables. I have to blend them up to get him to eat them. And he said, Shakerra, I would rather drink this.
There we go.
Than eat my veggies. You should still eat veggies.
Yes.
But I'm glad that he's getting something in.
That's his plan B. That's his plan B.
I'll take it.
Good stuff. All right. So before we go to nominate, question for me and your social, I want to ask you about the hair products.
Yeah.